All right, so what's up, everyone? Welcome to Connect2Roots Academy, your guide to careers in the BFSI sector and beyond. If you've been looking for a clear, straightforward path into some really exciting and future-proof careers, you're definitely in the right place. We're all about breaking down complex topics and making them accessible, so you can make informed decisions about your professional journey. Stick around, because we've got some solid insights coming your way. Today, we bring you 30 must-know data science questions that are highly relevant for students and professionals looking to build a career in banking, financial services, and insurance, or simply BFSI. Now, I know data science and BFSI can sound a bit intimidating, but trust me, the fundamentals are key. And that's what we're diving into. These aren't just random questions. They're the ones that pop up, the ones that matter, and the ones that can really set you apart. Think of this video as your cheat sheet, your quick start guide to understanding the landscape. Whether you're just curious, seriously considering a career switch, or already in the field and looking to solidify your knowledge, these 30 questions are designed to give you a comprehensive overview. We'll cover the basics, the applications, and even the ethics. So, let's get into it. So, data science. It's the field extracting insights and predictions from data using algorithms, statistics, and machine learning. In BFSI, it's crucial for credit risk, fraud detection, customer segmentation, and even predicting loan defaults accurately. Supervised learning? That's when you train models using data that's already labeled with the correct answers. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, works with unlabeled data, finding hidden patterns and structures on its own. Banks use them for loan approvals, which is supervised, and understanding customer behavior patterns, that's unsupervised, for better service. Credit scoring is essentially a statistical method that financial institutions use to assess an individual's credit worthiness. Pretty key. So, banks often use logistic regression to predict binary outcomes, like whether a customer will default on a loan. Feature engineering is, the smart process of creating or tweaking data features to boost your model's performance. Time series analysis is all about analyzing sequential data to predict future trends, like stock prices or demand. So, machine learning and fraud detection, well, it's all about spotting and flagging unusual transaction patterns in real time and doing it super fast. Classification predicts distinct categories like, fraud or not fraud, while regression predicts continuous values such as house prices. Overfitting is when a model learns the training data too closely and fails on new data. You can tackle overfitting with techniques like cross-validation, simplifying the model, or using regularization methods. Smart stuff. Missing data? You can use imputation to fill gaps intelligently, or sometimes just drop those incomplete records. Clustering, like k-means, groups similar data points together. Super useful for things like customer segmentation in marketing. So decision trees are, flowchart-like structures. In BFSI, they're often used for making clearer credit risk assessment decisions. Gradient boosting is actually a really powerful ensemble technique. It's great for portfolio optimization and also for enhancing credit scoring accuracy. Ethical data use in BFSI is honestly non-negotiable. It's all about privacy, fairness, and, consciously avoiding any biased outcomes. So regulations like GDPR and CCPA, they actually mandate compliance, encryption, consent, and controlled data access, all to protect users, Data governance basically means establishing clear frameworks for responsible and compliant data use, especially in regulated sectors like BFSI. Deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks for, complex tasks like fraud detection and algorithmic trading. NLP helps computers understand human language. Think chatbots, sentiment analysis from reviews, or analyzing market news feeds. Monte Carlo simulations are used to model financial risk by running thousands of possible outcome scenarios. Pretty powerful. A typical data science project involves problem definition, data collection, pre-processing, model selection, training, evaluation, and deployment. So data science significantly refines credit risk assessment, optimizes portfolios, and, really boosts customer retention strategies for banks. For reporting and dashboards, tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Python libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn are honestly quite popular. Stay updated by following industry blogs, attending webinars, joining online communities, and, always experimenting with new tools. Continuous learning in BFSI data science isn't just good, it's honestly essential to stay ahead as the industry evolves. Joining online forums like Kaggle or GitHub and participating in discussions is a great way to connect. For more deep dives and resources like this one, definitely make sure to check out our channel. So, there you have it. 30 pretty crucial questions that give you a solid foundation in data science, especially as it applies to the BFSI sector. If you're looking to build a career in data science for BFSI, these 30 questions are your go-to roadmap. We've covered a lot of ground, from basic definitions to practical applications, and even the ethical considerations, which are super important. Hopefully, this makes the whole field feel a bit more accessible and a lot less daunting. The journey into data science is continuous, and the BFSI industry is always evolving, so keeping that curiosity alive is key. Want to learn more? Check out our channel for more such videos. We're constantly working on content to help you navigate these career paths, break down complex ideas, and give you the tools you need to succeed. Your feedback also helps us shape what we do next, so don't hesitate to comment. This is Connect2Roots Academy, simplifying careers for the next generation. We genuinely hope this was valuable for you. If it was, do us a solid like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.